If you are required to clean walls for a full clean or an infectious clean, then you will need to use the Wally wall washing covers. Wally covers are a cross between a microfiber cloth and a microfiber mop. They are designed to allow you to clean wall surfaces at the same fast rate that we can now clean floors. The pleated cloth surface scrubs and cleans while the microfiber cloth inside absorbs solution, keeping the surface microfiber working longer. Wally covers come in 5 different colours and can be used to clean general ward areas, bathrooms, kitchens, infectious rooms and even theatre areas. They can attach either onto a holder on an extension pole for large areas or onto a handheld holder for smaller reachable surfaces. Place your Wally covers in an 8-litre rectangular bucket and add the correct amount of cleaning solution to each pad. You will need a clean pad for every room you are cleaning, and some rooms may require more than one if you are cleaning ceilings as well. Place the pre-moistened ready-to-use cover onto the holder and extend the handle to the correct height. The design of the Wally system eliminates bending and stretching, normally associated with scrubbing and drying walls. Keep your back in an upright position so you can reach both high and low areas of the room. Change the pad when necessary. If a chlorinated cleaner is used or needs to be applied to the surface, then you will need to use the bleach-resistant Wally covers and always clean the lower areas first to avoid chemical runs. Place used covers in the bag on your trolley for later laundering. As Wally microfiber covers are made out of the same material as Interclean cloths, they not only loosen dirt and germs from your wall surfaces, but they remove them in the drying process.